Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Media Encoder with Premiere Pro. First, open your project in Premiere Pro and select the sequence you wish to export. Navigate to File, then Export, and choose Media Encoder Queue. This action sends your sequence to Media Encoder, allowing you to continue working in Premiere Pro without interruption. It's a fantastic way to manage multiple exports efficiently, saving you valuable time during your editing process. Once your sequence is in Media Encoder, you'll see it appear in the Queue panel. This is your central hub for all encoding tasks. Here, you can view the source, output file, and current preset. To add more items, simply drag and drop additional Premiere Pro sequences or even other media files directly into this panel. You can queue up dozens of exports, making batch processing incredibly simple and streamlined. Now, let's customize your export. Click on the preset name in the queue to open the Export Settings dialog. Here, you can choose from a wide array of formats like H.264 for web or ProRes for high-quality masters. Select a suitable preset, perhaps for YouTube at 1092 by 1080 pixels or even 4K resolution. Adjust the bitrate, aiming for 10 to 20 megabits per second for good quality, and save your custom settings as a new preset for quick access later. With all your settings configured, it's time to start the encoding process. Simply click the green Start Queue button in the top right corner. Media Encoder will then process each item in your queue sequentially. You can monitor the progress of each job and even pause, resume, or reorder items if needed. Once complete, your exported files will be saved to the destination folder you specified, ready for sharing or further use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.